So, hello, welcome back. This is the last part of Module 1 of Math of the SAT sample paper test. This is the part 4, and I'm gonna get right into it.
Let's look at 25 in the plane. In xy plane, the graph of the equation is this intersects with the line this exactly at 1 point. What is the value of c? So the thing is that this y equals to c is satisfying this equation. So all we need to do is put it satisfies the equation of our graph. So c equals negative x squared plus 9x minus 100. Um, Now let's make it a equation or function. Let's make it a function, which gives us negative x squared plus 9x minus 100 minus c. And let's get rid of the negative with the first term. So I'm going to multiply a negative to all of them, which gives me this. Now I have a very clean function like this. Now the thing is, this does satisfy this equation, but they only have one solution. They cannot have two solutions. It means there needs to be a perfect square, and the determinant for a formula, which is d is equal to b square minus 4ac, gives us very good property that if there needs to be only one root, one solution, this needs to be equal to 0. So let's just put b square, which is negative 9 square, minus 4 ac. A is just 1. And my c, don't confuse the c with this c. C just means the, oh gosh, c just means the last third term, which is constant. So I will just write 100 plus c, which should be equal to 0. Now I can just square both sides, get rid of the square, because 0 square is 0. So it gives me 81 minus, let's multiply the inside the bracket, minus 400 minus 4c equals 0. 81 minus 400 would be 319. Let me check. Okay, minus 4c equals 0. Let's take 4c to one side, and it gives me c equals to negative 319 by 4, which is the option C. Um, let's go to question number 26. So we have two equations for each real number r. Which of the following point lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system?
So we just have four different points and we have to one by one put it in the equations that are given to us. For example, like the different x and the y intercept is given. It goes into our equation at the specific x and y. For example, in the 2x plus 3y and x and y in the 10x plus 15y. And if the solutions match each other, the r matches for A, B, C, D, then it is the solution. I'm just gonna solve one of them, the C, because the solving is same for all of them. So 2r plus 3, 2r by 3 plus 7 by 3 equals 7. So I'm gonna solve for r. So I cut the 3's because it's numerator denominator, cut the 7, and it gives me 4r equals 0, which means r is equal to 0. And the second equation gives me 10 into, again, gonna put the x-intercept r, and then 15 into y-intercept 2r by 3 plus 7 by 3 equals 35. And then I cut the 3's with the 5. 10x plus 10r plus 35 equals, 35, and cut the r's, and 35 still gives me r equals 0, so this is a solution. Okay, so that was a good guess, I guess. But I'm gonna just solve one more just in case. So we know if we are going on the right track. Or let's say b. Um, so 2 into negative 3 by 2r plus 3 into, sorry, it's negative 3r by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 3 into r equals 7. And I'm gonna cut the r's. So it just gives me 0 equals 0 because 3 r's cut and 7 cut. So it's basically saying it's true for all r, which we don't want. So let's solve for 10x plus 15y if it gives us the same solution. Equals 35. Negative 15 plus 35 plus 15r equals 35. Still they get good. That was r. So 0 equals 0. Actually, okay. So looking at the question, this was the answer for, because they wanted for each real number r. The b gave us just one solution r equals 0. So for each of them, b is the correct answer. If you try solving the other options, you would know you would only get one solution or none. Okay. Now the last question, perimeter of equilateral triangle is this. Height is k root 3. And they're asking for the value of k. So in equilateral triangle, we already know the formula of the perimeter, which includes the edge, which is just equal to a 2 root 3 times h, and let's write k root 3, sorry, 624 equals 2 root 3 times h, which is k root 3, and 624 equals 2 times, now root 3 is 3 times k. So k is just equal to now 624 divided by 6, which is 104, I guess. Let me just check. Yeah, okay. So that is our answer for the 27th. So I guess that's it for this module. In next video, I'll solve the module 2. And if you get any questions, you can comment down here and I'll try to answer as many of them as I can. And thank you and good luck.